Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we simplify your digital life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the currency settings on Instagram. Perfect for those of you who love shopping or selling through the app but need to adjust for different regions. Make sure you stay tuned till the end for some extra tips that can enhance your Instagram shopping experience. First things first, let's open Instagram. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner to go to your profile page. Next, tap on the three lines in the top right corner to open up the menu. Now that you're in settings, scroll down to find and tap on payments. If you can't find, you can simply search. Tap on it. This section controls all your payment settings and preferences within Instagram. Inside payments, look for an option called currency. Tap on it and you'll see a list of all available currencies. Scroll through the list and choose the currency you wish to use. Then simply select it and voila, your currency settings is updated.